Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I actually have an unboxing, but let me just talk about this really quickly. I'm not using my phone for this video, so let me know if you guys like the quality of this camera better than my previous videos, so just let me know down in the comment section below. But for today's video it is an unboxing. So I know I said I was in a no buy, but this bag came in unexpectedly, I would say. So if you guys already know, I follow Tet on Instagram. If you guys don't already know, I have done a couple videos of vintage bags. My most recent was a Fendi bag that I got from Vintage LVO. Her name is Tet. So I did get that bag and I was in her live, and I did see another bag that I was eyeing for a while, but I didn't want to splurge because this bag is, one, it has some marks in it, and two, it is a creamy white color. So if you guys don't know about creamy white colored bags, they tend to color transfer, they could get dirty, and this is fabric, it's not canvas. So with canvas it has a durable material, and with fabric material it is like fabric. So if you stain it, throw wine or anything red or colorful or anything like that, it can stain the bag. So that's why I was very like hesitant. But if you know me, I'm very cautious on my bags. I'm very, you know, I baby them a lot. So I'm like, okay, I have that already, so I think I'm ready for this creamy colored bag. And I do only own one white one, which is that Jack Moose bag back there. So I'm like, okay, it's not really technically white, it's a creamy color. So let me just share what I got. So first, it comes in this packaging. I'm not going to show the front because it has my address. So like I said, there were some marks on the bag, and I already knew that, but I don't know, I was very tempted into purchasing a new bag. And this type of bag has been a bag that I have been searching for a while, and it's very hard to get because one, it is one that I got is very popular at the moment. So I got this for, I think, a good deal. Oh, how sweet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Here comes Hachi being a metiche. This is how it looks like. So she actually put some goodies in here. How sweet. Thank you, Tet. And then she put here, thank you. And it says, say hello to your new favorite. It says Vintage LVO. So this is how it looks, packaged. And she put more stickers in the back. And let's see what I got. I ended up getting Free Love. It's not brand new. Ta-da! I got the Fendi Baguette in the cream shade with silver hardware and the dark brown leather. I love it. Look how cute this bag is. So I'm gonna put this down and then kind of share with you guys how this bag will look. And let's see, there were some marks like I said. I think one is up here, and then there is one stain on the back, on the bottom right here. And then the hardware is obviously, you know, there's some marks on there because it is a vintage bag, and the strap was in pretty good condition. There is just some wear, you know, some little wrinkles, but that's because, as I said 20 times already, this is a vintage bag. So the only thing I didn't see the inside, which I should have asked, but I think from what I remembered, it was in good condition. So again, this is a magnet closure, and then she put more tissue paper, which is very nice of her because we always want to make sure your bags are stuffed so they don't lose its shape. So this is the inside. So I see that the inside is very, very clean. Even the metal versus Fendi, it looks very, very like good condition. And then the zipper pull, let me just try this out. It's a little stiff, but it works. And on the interior, I don't see any marks on the interior on the flap. So this is what I say, this is a material bag. So if you throw anything, you have ketchup in your hand and you touch your bag or mustard or whatever, you're going to dirty it because this is a canvas bag. So this is how my new Fendi Baguette looks like. I don't own a Fendi Baguette. My dream like vintage bag that I'm very earning and searching for is the Fendi Y2K print original Baguette. I'll leave a picture here for you guys so you guys understand what I'm talking about. But this is a nice addition to start off my collection. As I said, I don't own a lot of vintage pieces. I own probably about 5 vintage items. One that I bought from Fashion File, and then most of them were from Tet. So this is adding on to that vintage. So like I said, you could also, buying vintage doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It just means that you're just buying something that's already used and in good condition if that's what you want. So you could buy a vintage item for like 50, 100 bucks, but it could be in terrible condition. But a lot of people like to, you know, revive them and, you know, fix like the straps or fix whatever is needed, and then the bag comes out looking fantastic, but you are investing in repairing those items. So just keep that in mind when you're buying something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to see if I could clean those stains out. I know she wanted to, but she was scared that she might mess up the material, which is understandable because if she messes it up, then she won't be able to sell it. So I'm gonna try it on my end to see what I can do. I watched some videos, so I'm gonna be doing that. Or if not, it's fine. Like it doesn't bother me. If it was like a big stain, like super humongous, then it will bother me. But right now, it's not bothering me. And with the lighting, I can't really tell because these lights are blinding me. I got new lighting as well from Amazon Prime, so FYI, it looks a little different. The lighting is because I got new lighting. So yeah guys, this is my new Fendi Baguette vintage, and I believe this was $430. She did give me a discount because in her live she gives discounts for her items that she has in her website. So yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to dress this up for the summer. So as mentioned before, color transfer, that is something that I'm gonna have to be very careful for. So this is a shoulder bag, so I'm not really gonna worry about like the tops. Normally color transfer happens with jeans. I've had a couple of color transfer happen to my YSL mini loo bag. Oh, I had to clean it with like a baby wipe, but yeah, it's okay. You can always fix those things. And if you guys want a video, let me know. If you guys want to know how to clean your bag, if there's color transfer, I can show you guys how I do it. This is my new Fendi Baguette in the cream color with the F's all over with silver hardware. Ah, so pretty. So you guys, let me know what you guys think about this bag down below in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to let me know about the lighting, about the camera quality, and if you have any other questions about any of the bags that I have. So yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.